beautiful souls. I'm finally here to present the 3D houses that I've been working on in like forever. I will be sharing them already made and embellished. The tutorial will be up in the next few days, so the file is not available yet, but it will be once the tutorial has been released. Here's the first one I created. As you can see, it is 3D. The paper here are downloads. These are digital downloads. Some are mine and some are from other people. This right here is from Knitwit. This strip right here is also from Knitwit. This strip here, or this piece of paper here, is my own design. This also is my own design. This background here is from Arila shop on Etsy. This image here and this image here was gifted to me by a dear friend who passed away a few years back. Her YouTube channel was Tabasco 14, I believe it was, and her name was Johnny, and I do miss her. I really adored her. And these images here, these flowers here, are from Anna Griffin, and so is this one. This butterfly here is also from Arila shop. She does amazing shabby chic digital downloads. I love her work. I do support other digital artists, and this is also mine here. This comes in a bundle on Tea Time and Dolls Etsy shop. Okay, and this is something I create. I put together this dangle here, this charm. This charm here is from Happy Crafter Lisa shop on Etsy. I'm sorry, Instagram. Sorry, Lisa. And so is this. I got this also from her shop, the flower. I trimmed it a little bit because it was a little bit too big. Here's the same as the other side, and here's the same image as well. I think it turned out really pretty. So the measurements here is 10.5 inches tall. It's 6 3/8 inches, not 6 3/8, 3 7/8 inches deep. It's a really nice size, and it's 6 3/8 or 6 1/4. It's in between 6 1/4 and 6 3/8 inches wide. I mean, there's so much room in here. It's decorated in the inside as well. As you can see, so gorgeous. I love this paper here. They look like wood panels, and this is like a country cottage tea shop. It's gorgeous. I love it. So there that is. That paper I created. This is from the Victorian Lace Tea Party collection. Okay, gorgeous. Love it. The next house I made is an alternative. If you don't want a gable roof, you can have it flat. You will see that in the tutorial. It's the same roof, but I just altered it to make it flat, and it's super easy. You're gonna see how easy it is in the tutorial. Alright, so this paper here is from Tilda Corner shop that I don't have. I found it online and I downloaded it, and I had to tweak it to fit this box. So I edited the image to fit here. There, this is a mold that I have. These charms here are from Happy Crafter Lisa shop. This I created digitally. Isn't that pretty? And everything is all stickled up lovely. This is from Stamperia Sweetie. These images here. This is also from Stamperia. This is a pink Christmas. And I created this. And I made an awning. Isn't that pretty? I love the awning feature on here. Love, love, love that. This is a donut that I actually made with polymer clay from scratch. Here's another flower from Happy Craftily. So she doesn't have these anymore. She has other charms on there. Gorgeous, I love it. So this is a sweet shop, as you saw. Sweet Dreams. And there's that. This is a digital image that I created. The chair. This is from Prima. I forgot the name of that collection. Sorry, forgot. There it is. And here's the back. This is also from Sweetie Stamperia collection. Isn't it pretty? Love that. And here's the inside of that. Oops. You know what I forgot to do? Add paper here. But I think I'm just going to leave it alone. I think it's fine just the way it is. And this was actually the printable. And it's slightly smaller. Not that much of a difference, but slightly, maybe about 1/8 of an inch smaller. But it's still hefty. You can fit a lot of goodies in here. This would be nice to fill treats in it, like edible treats. So for the next house, I did use the Stamperia Sweetie papers and elements in it. Gorgeous. And some of them are popped up, some of them are flat. This scene here is popped up, so you can see there. I did make this bow and the charms. This here is from Happy Crafter Lisa. Happy Crafter shop on Instagram, not Etsy, Instagram. Okay, let's get it together, girl. And this rosette here I created, and I'm going to show you the other ones I made because I'm proud of them. This is my first time ever making rosettes. And I'm really proud the way they came out. They came out super shabby, so pretty. These are sentiments I created on the computer, and then I printed them out on designer paper. Some are mine and some are from other people. This charm here, you can purchase this on Tea Time and Dolls Instagram. It's Tea Time and Dolls Boutique on Instagram. Okay, I will show you some more that I have at the end of showing the houses. So in case you're interested. So there that is. So I did use here 3D foam. Glitter foam. And I have it in pink. I get these from my local discount store. And I glittered the heck out of this. Look how gorgeous that teacup is. It's so shiny. Look at that. So pretty. Okay. And I did glitter here and there. You know, certain spots. Here and there. Here. And this is from Anna Griffin as well. These flowers I did sell on Tea Time and Dolls Boutique Instagram, but it wasn't doing so well, so I'm going to discontinue that. And, well, I already did. This is also popped up on the foam, the glitter pink foam. This I have in my stash. Gorgeous. I did mention this one, right? Yes. Okay. Maybe. I don't know. I left the back plain because most likely this is going to go against something. And, oh, here's the other butterfly, another butterfly from the mold that I have. I also have this for sale on Tea Time and Dolls Boutique on Instagram, if anybody's interested. Again. Okay. And there's the inside of that. This is the Stamperia, the Sweetie. And that one down there too. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. Okay. Last but not least, can you guess what theme I chose for the next one? Can you guess? Can you guess? You should have guessed it was a doll shop. You know that's I love dolls. It's my favorite. Should have guessed it. And here I did another rosette. This I also sell. I'm selling that currently. They're still available. I also sell holiday wood buttons that I created rosettes with them too, but I gifted them to some of the beautiful souls. Thank you all beautiful souls who purchased some of the items I have there. So I gifted that to some of them. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna do the sides for it. I kept it pretty simple. It's not really, you know, elaborate, but I love the simplicity of it because the paper itself is really, really pretty. This I'm gonna create. I created this, but I don't have this for sale as a separate element. I will create some faux lace trim, so it's paper lace, and that way you can, if you don't have a lot of lace in your stash, you can use the paper as an alternative. I created that image. Gorgeous. This butterfly is from Arila Miha shop. I created this, and I just did a cluster here and added some appliques and random lace pieces. I created that flower using the Ariana Blooms from Heartfelt Creation stamp and die set, and a cluster of pearls I added there. And then here we have the same butterfly like the other side, this too. The image here is different. I created that. This is actually something that I have for sale on Tea Time and Dolls Etsy shop, not Instagram, Etsy. And it is a 3D, it's another 3D gift house bag, but it's totally different than this. And I did this cluster here. I also made this flower from scratch using the Heartfelt Creations Classic Rose. And it's nicely glittered. I just added this image here. And then I added the same trim down here. So pretty. I love this trim. I can't wait to... I'm going to make different lace trims. Okay, and then this is a mold I have. This is polymer clay. Isn't that gorgeous? And I just use a gold leaf pen, and I created this. Here I have this this is a mold, so I made like a water fountain. These are like separate planters, and I just layered them on top to make like a little fountain, and added the birds. And this girl here, this girl right here, is an image I got on Google. She's royalty free, and this is the before. She is like, she's very dull and blurry, so I enhanced it. You know, I did it on Procreate, and I used my computer as well with the GIMP editing program that I use, that it is free to use and free to download. And so, you know, and her hand was kind of missing, so I had to manipulate that. And then bam, there she is. Gorgeous. Isn't she gorgeous? She's much cleaner. I will add her in another digital collection that I want to create. And that parasol is from my first digital collection I created called Doily Dreams. That is in a bundle along with this one here that I showed earlier. Alrighty. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it all to purchase it. So here are some of the charms that I'm currently selling. These are really pretty. Pretty. So you get 4 of these, and you know the prices not going to break the bank at all. I have these. These are great for people who like Alice in Wonderland theme. So you get 2 of each color here, so 6 in all. There are these felt rhinestone pearls. They're backed up with felt. And then here's the blue one to that white one. Same design. It's a pretty blue color, and this is a mint green color with yellow. You could always cover the front with something else if you don't like that. And then here are these beautiful bowls. I love these bowls. You get 4 of these, 1 of each color. This is like a teal, lavender, pink, and yellow. And then you get, whoopsie, you get 10 of these. These are gorgeous. They do look like blossoms. They do. And these bowls, you get 4, 1 of each color of this one. I only have 1 left of this one, so you get 2 of that pretty green color, like a mint green. It's like a mint green, and that pink. So 2 of each color. They only have 1 left. And then there are these. So you get 3 whites and 3 pinks of that. The butterflies. These are the butterflies I was telling you about. You get 4 of those. You get 6. 2 of each color of the lavender, the pink, and this pretty blue. They have like a pearlescent glitter. Like the enamel of it. It's really, really pretty. And then the bowls is the same colors as this. But you get 2 whites, 2 blues, and 2 pinks in this one. So that's that. Now for the tutorial and the digital download for these and the SVG file, that will be available once I drop the video tutorial on these. That will be automatically for sale on Tea Time and Doll's Etsy shop. So they will be there once the tutorial has been released. I love this one. Can you tell? Can you tell? Love. I love this one too. It has a doll. Love these. So thank you to all who have been supporting me from the beginning. Thank you who are supporting my small venture, my small little tiny, like the tiny business. Thank you for that. I really, really appreciate it. I feel it in my soul and I feel it in my heart, the overwhelming gratitude. I will also be dropping another vlog, I guess after the tutorial video of this gets dropped. I don't know how soon after, but I will also be dropping another one of those. So let's share, be fair, be filled with love, and love one another. Take good care, everybody.